Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is sentences. I think that you are all acquainted about the topic. We will discuss here about sentence and its kinds in detail. Here in this class we will discuss about 4 kinds of sentences. You know about 5 kinds of sentences, but here we are only discussing 4 kinds. We are not going to discuss optative sentence because it is not given in your syllabus in your book. So now before starting the chapter we have to know about the definition of sentences, but before starting this we have to know that what do you mean by the term word. You know that word means which has a meaning. Understand? So which has meaning, it will be known as word. Afterward, you know that a group of words which makes a complete sense, will be known as a sentence. So here the example is that she learns a poem. Here we are getting complete sense, so it is a sentence. Understand? Now we are going to read that there are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is statements, declarative sentences. Understand? Dear student, you know that statements which we say declarative sentences. Understand? So you know that the first sentence states something, says something about someone, about person or thing, states something, says something. So here you get the example, you play football, this sentence is positive, and you don't play football. So statement states something which we say declarative sentence, and in statement you can also get positive sentence and negative sentence. Positive sentence will be also known as affirmative sentence. Understand? The example is here, you play football, and the second one is negative sentence, you don't play football. Understand? The student, the second one is question, which we say interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. Understand? In first statement, in declarative sentence, we use full stop at the end of sentence, and in questions which we say interrogative sentences ask questions. Understand? And we use question mark at the end of sentences. And interrogative sentences will be of 2 types. Here first one is yes no type, second one is WH words. Yes no type means that the sentence which will start with helping verb, means that is, am, are, was, were, has, have, will, shall, and all the modal verbs will, would, shall, should, may, might, could, can, could, must. So the sentences which will start with helping verb are modal verb. Helping verb means that is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Understand? And all modal verbs. Understand? So you are getting the example, have you done your homework? The sentence starts with helping verb, so it means that it will be known as what? Yes no type questions, and end with question mark. After helping verb, auxiliary verb, which we say, we get subject, then main verb, object, then other. Understand? Now the second one is WH type questions. WH type questions means starts with WH word. What, where, when, why. Understand? Whose, whom, these will be known as WH words. The sentence which will start with WH words, after that you will get helping verb, subject, main verb, object. In this form the sentence will be put up. So you know that yes no type questions will start with helping verb and WH word will start with WH word. Understand? Next one is known as imperative sentence. Dear student, commands which we say are imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses command, request, suggestion, advice, warning, wish, instruction, etc. Understand? So we will see the examples. Some examples are here. Give advice, learn the use of internet. Understand? Next one is make an offer. For offer, example, have a cup of tea. And you know that imperative sentence will end with full stop. Understand? Make a wish. Have a happy journey. Last one, warn somebody. Don't touch the plug. Understand? So this will be known as imperative sentence. Last one is exclamation, which we say exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences we use exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence expresses wonder, surprise, sudden, you know that expresses sudden feeling of the heart. Understand? Surprise, wonder, and we use the word what and how. What and how, these two words are here that are used in exclamatory sentence to express sudden feeling of the heart, wonder, surprise. So here the example is that what a clever boy. What, after what you are getting subject, sorry, what clever means that we are getting adjective, then subject, noun. So afterward you have known it clearly. Sentence means a group of words which makes complete sense. See, learns a poem. And first one is that here we read statements which we say declarative sentence, state something in which you get positive sentence and negative sentence. Afterward we get, and you know that statements will end with full stop. Next one is that interrogative sentences which we say questions ends with question mark. It asks questions, ask something. Understand? And it will start with WH word or helping verbs or modal verbs, which will start with helping verb or modal verbs. These will be known as yes no type questions, and that will start with WH word. It will be known as a WH questions, WH words questions. Next one is commands, imperative sentences. You know that imperative sentences expresses command, request, suggestion, advice, warning, etc. Next one is that exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences expresses sudden feeling of the heart, wonder, surprise, etc. And we use exclamation mark. Understand? Actually, we use two words here, what and how, to express exclamation. What a clever boy is the example given here. So I think that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.